The Audi A6 bursts onto the road with a commanding presence, its sleek frame slicing through the air with effortless precision. From the very first moment the engine awakens, you can feel the surge of power waiting to be unleashed. It's not just a car starting, it's a performance beginning. With every touch of the accelerator, the A6 lunges forward with silky aggression. The power delivery is instant yet controlled, giving you that addictive pushback in your seat feeling. Its quattro all-wheel drive system locks onto the road with unshakable stability, allowing the car to sprint with both confidence and grace. On open roads, the Audi A6 feels like it was born to run. The wind bends around its streamlined silhouette, the wheels grip as if reading the asphalt, and the suspension absorbs the world beneath with refined athleticism. High-speed cruising becomes effortless, smooth, quiet, and exhilarating all at once. Inside, the cabin wraps you in premium materials, ambient lighting, and advanced tech that responds to your every command. It's a sanctuary of comfort that contrasts beautifully with the performance roaring beneath the hood. Every detail is engineered to elevate both the heart and the mind. The Audi A6 doesn't just accelerate, it transforms every journey into a cinematic moment. It blends force and finesse, aggression and elegance, speed and sophistication. Each burst of acceleration reminds you that this is more than a luxury sedan. It's pure emotion on four wheels. The Audi logo features 4 interlocking silver rings, a design that radiates elegance, unity, and engineering excellence. Each ring represents one of the 4 legendary automakers, Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer, that came together to form what is now Audi AG. The polished metallic finish gives the rings a futuristic glow, reflecting Audi's commitment to innovation and pure craftsmanship. Simple yet iconic, the logo stands proudly on the grille like a signature of confidence. Whether shimmering under city lights or catching sunlight on the open road, the 4 rings instantly announce sophistication, performance, and timeless German engineering. The steering wheel of the Audi A6 feels like a masterpiece crafted for both precision and comfort. Wrapped in premium leather, it offers a soft, refined touch the moment your hands grip its surface. The contouring is perfectly sculpted, giving you a sense of total control even at high speeds. Integrated aluminum accents add a subtle metallic shine, making the wheel look both modern and athletic. The multifunction buttons are positioned with surgical precision, allowing you to adjust audio, navigation, and driving modes without lifting a finger. Every click feels crisp, deliberate, and engineered to perfection. And when the Audi logo glows at the center, framed by the signature 4 rings, it becomes more than a steering wheel. It's a command hub, a place where luxury, technology, and performance merge, empowering you to take the road with confidence and style. The steering wheel is wrapped in smooth premium leather, offering a firm and comfortable grip. Its sporty contours fit perfectly in your hands, while the clean, responsive buttons let you control everything with ease. At the center, the emblem stands bold, turning every drive into a confident, classy experience. The moment your hands touch the wheel, you feel a blend of precision and sophistication. Every turn is smooth, every movement is effortless, making the driving experience not just controlled, but deeply connected and full of emotion. The car's central screen lights up with crystal-clear graphics, delivering every detail with razor-sharp precision. Its smooth touch response makes every swipe feel effortless, while the modern interface keeps navigation, music, and vehicle settings perfectly organized. Bright, elegant, and futuristic, the screen turns the cabin into a true high-tech cockpit. The Audi A6's climate control system keeps the cabin perfectly balanced, delivering cool or warm air instantly with whisper-quiet efficiency. Intuitive controls let you adjust temperature and airflow with ease, while advanced sensors ensure every seat enjoys personalized comfort. It's luxury that you can feel refreshing, soothing, and effortlessly precise. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy, open atmosphere that elevates every drive. With a simple touch, it glides smoothly open, letting in fresh air and connecting you to the world outside. Whether basking in sunlight or gazing at the stars, the sunroof transforms every journey into a luxurious, unforgettable experience. Even when closed, the tinted glass offers a sense of openness while reducing glare and heat. It perfectly balances comfort and style, making every drive feel bright, airy, and exceptionally premium. The sunroof adds a touch of freedom and luxury, letting light and air in at the perfect moment, enhancing every drive with an open, airy feeling. Watch the Audi A6 glide through the streets from above, captured by a smooth, cinematic flycam. The sunlight glints off its sleek body as it accelerates effortlessly, showcasing every curve, every line, and every detail of its stunning design. From above, the car looks like a masterpiece in motion, powerful, elegant, and unstoppable. Don't miss a moment of this incredible ride. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more thrilling Audi A6 action, exclusive reviews, and jaw-dropping car content every week. From above, every detail of the Audi A6 shines, its glossy paint, dynamic lines, and bold stance. The flycam captures not just a car, but a moving work of art that demands attention on every road.